I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. Okay, you only need one thing to make it. All you need is a piece of paper. You could use lined paper, you could use plain paper, any type of paper you want. Okay, the first step is that you're going to take the paper airplane and then first fold the side like this. Okay, and then you do the other, and then you do the other side like that too. So it should look, so both sides should look like that. So this is what it should look like. It should look like this. Okay. And then you're going to fold it like this. And you guys can pause the video anytime you want. Okay, so now you have it like this so far. Like this. Okay, so now you have it like this, and then you're going to take the other side and then fold it. Fold that side up, and then take the other side and fold that side up. And then fold it like that. It looks like a paper airplane. And voila! We have made a paper airplane. And you could decorate however you want, and you could also just stand it on your desk if you want to. It's really cool. You decorate it and do all that stuff inside of it. You could also fly it. A lot of people like to put out loops, so try to fly it in loops. A lot of people, this happens, it goes into a loop-de-loop, and that's epic when that happens. And here it could stand up because these parts here are folded this way, so it makes it fold up. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna fast forward the video, so I will see you when I'm done coloring. Okay guys, I am done now, and mine's not that much. I just did blue and then orange that way, and then this part I did purple and then orange that way. And guys, comment down below if you want me to make any more paper objects, and make sure that you spam that subscribe button and give a like and comment down below and press the notification bell to never miss a video. And I will see you on the next video. Bye!